Now this is another quadratic, and I don't think this one factors, so we're going to use a thing called a minus b formula, and this is how it works. X equals minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we need to figure out what a, b and c are. Well, a is going to be 5, you see that there. A equals 5, b is going to equal plus 10, and c is going to equal 2. And we fill that in. X equals minus 10 plus minus the square root of 10 squared is 100 minus 4 times a times c. A is 5, c is 2. All over 2 times a, and a is 5. Right, so tidying that up a little bit, you get minus 10 plus minus the square root of 4 fives is 20, by 2 is 40. 4 fives is 20, by 2 is 40. Take that from 100 and you get the square root of 60. All over 10. Now we can definitely go to the calculator now. Select the fraction key, and on top we're going to have minus 10 plus, we can only go with one plus or the minus, so go with the plus first. Square root of 60, then drop downstairs and stick in a 10 and press equals. And this is one answer. Now we can put that into decimal form or not. So we can put that answer down here. Minus 5 plus root 15 over 5. And we can get the decimal form of that if we want. And it's equal to minus 0.225, accurate to 3 decimal places. Or, now that's x equals that, or x equals, we go back to our original calculation here, and we go with the minus option. Delete the plus there, stick in the minus, press equals. And we get minus 5 plus root 15 over 5. We get the same answer. That's okay. That's possible. Right? And you can see, no, it's not the same answer for some reason. I'm confusing myself. Oh, in this case, the minus is applied to everything. Whereas in the last answer, the minus was just on the 5. Right? So we've minus 5 plus root 15 all over 5. And in decimal, that is minus 1.775 to 3 decimal places. Right, so you can have a look at that yourself, rewind it, try it again, pause it, see if you can do it by yourself.